Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to quick and easily make your taskbar right here transparent. First, you're going to go into settings by selecting start right here in the bottom left hand corner. Then select settings. Then you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to select personalization. Then select taskbar at the bottom. Then right here you'll see automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. You'll select it. And there you can see the taskbar has disappeared. And if I should hover the mouse over it, you can see it reappear. That's it. And then you can close out of this. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.